5. Signs your gut is healing naturally. Your gut is the foundation of your overall health. When it's damaged, you feel the effects everywhere: bloating, fatigue, poor digestion, low immunity. But when your gut begins to heal, amazing changes start happening in your body. In this video, we'll reveal the 5 clear signs that your gut is healing naturally, so you'll know your efforts are paying off. Why gut healing matters. The gut microbiome affects digestion, mood, immunity, and even skin health. A damaged gut yields inflammation, nutrient malabsorption, and chronic issues. Healing your gut restores balance, reduces inflammation, and builds resilience. If you've been making lifestyle changes, watch for these signs. Your gut may already be repairing itself. Sign number 1. Less bloating and gas. A damaged gut often causes constant bloating, gas, and discomfort. When your gut begins to heal, digestion becomes smoother. Food breaks down more efficiently, and you feel lighter after meals. Key takeaway: if you're no longer reaching for stretchy pants after every meal, that's a sign of gut progress. Sign number 2. Improved bowel movements. Chronic constipation or diarrhea is a sign of poor gut balance. Healing restores regularity and better stool consistency. A healthy gut yields easier elimination, less straining, and no urgency. Key takeaway: when your bathroom routine feels normal again, it's your gut saying thank you. Sign number 3. More energy and less fatigue. A damaged gut can't absorb nutrients well, leading to low energy. As your gut heals, nutrient absorption improves. You'll notice more sustained energy throughout the day and less brain fog. Key takeaway: if you wake up refreshed instead of dragging through the day, your gut is recovering. Sign number 4. Stronger immunity. About 70% of your immune system is in your gut. A weak gut will frequent colds, infections, or slow recovery. When healing occurs, your immune system strengthens. You may get sick less often and recover faster. Key takeaway: if you notice fewer sick days, your gut microbiome is getting stronger. Sign number 5. Clearer skin, NAMP, better mood. Gut health is tied to skin and mental health via the gut-brain-skin axis. A healing gut reduces inflammation, which can clear acne, eczema, or rashes. Balanced gut bacteria also improve serotonin production, boosting mood and reducing anxiety. Key takeaway: when your skin glows and your mood lifts, your gut is healing from within. Bonus signs of gut healing: reduced sugar cravings, bad bacteria thrive on sugar. Better sleep quality. Less food sensitivity or discomfort after eating. How to support gut healing. Continue eating gut-friendly foods: yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, bone broth. Avoid gut-damaging foods: processed sugar, fried foods, alcohol. Stay hydrated, manage stress, and get enough sleep. Healing your gut doesn't happen overnight, but when you notice less bloating, improved digestion, more energy, stronger immunity, and even clearer skin, those are powerful signs that your gut is on the right track. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Health and Wellness for more natural remedies, gut health tips, and science-backed solutions. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.